like we have a graphic where we can show all the things that you do. Exactly. Cooking demonstrations, wellness workshops, support groups. Tell me about the health fairs.
We have health fairs at the hospital where I'll often present whatever I'm growing in the garden at the time, and we'll do cooking demonstrations utilizing what we've just harvested.
Fantastic. And the field trips, what do students do there? I mean, I know what they do because we went on one.
Well, it's called Grow Your Lunch. And it's
Grow Your Lunch.
Yes, Grow Your Lunch. So it's an opportunity for students to get reconnected to the environment, see how their food is grown. They enjoy doing some of the tasks that we have in the garden, whether it be transplanting, weeding, harvesting. Then we actually take them and teach them how to prepare a freshly made lunch that's delicious, and as a bonus is also good for you.
And I think that really is key, to start early and show them that all these greens and all these, vegetables where kids sometimes go, ooh, and they're good, and they probably end up having a great time, and they taste it and they love it, right, Drew?
Yeah, absolutely.
Which is important. Do you get the surprised look like, no, I don't want to, and then when they try it, they go, wow, that was good?
Yes, so part of the bonus with bringing your children there is that they get to eat freshly harvested vine-ripe tomatoes, for example. So the flavors are much more robust and exciting, and the colors, and it's a real experience. So when you are able to engage them at a young age, you have much more success in continuing that healthy eating.
How many kids so far would you say have toured?
Oh, since we started the garden at the hospital, I would say 3,000.
My goodness, that's fantastic. Yeah. And what's your favorite cooking demonstration, or what's the hooray that they love? What dish?
Well, it's really the simple things. It's making your homemade salad dressing or marinades, utilizing the fresh herbs, and getting a mason jar and putting the ingredients in there and having them shake it up, getting them involved. Just that engagement is so important.